Hello, today we will disassemble xlsx file, Excel, and into zip. And this is used to see the file content as a text. And it's very powerful. I will show you. And first, you go to your directory, and then you have this file, for example, here with some data inside, and you want to see the metadata, for example, template or whatever you want, and then you just make a copy and make sure to have this file name extension enabled. So I can just go here and press zip file, and when we have zip file here, we can just open and see all of the data inside. For example, content types with notepads. You have here, for example, a workbook. Then you have a sheet on one theme you have here, and there's also more different information styles. .xml. You have here the styles. For example, Artos Nero is the used font and shared strings, whatever. This is all. But if you are using some specific, if you're looking for some specific information, you will find it here, all in these files, workbook XML and theme file, theme XML, and yeah, Times New Roman, for example, here you see typeface, Microsoft James. So the xlsx file is actually not the black box you thought it would be. So yeah, maybe would be useful for somebody this video. So yeah, thank you very much. And my name is Murian-Coush. I'm here for question for you. And if you have anything, just attention me and I will reach back. Okay, thanks. Bye.